What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I want to go over why you should start CPA affiliate marketing in 2021. Now, it's a brand new year. A lot of you guys are looking for a business to start or just something to do, something to go after, a goal to set for the actual new year. And if you are interested in making six figures with CPA affiliate marketing, this is the video that you need to watch, because I'm gonna break down all the basics and why this is one of the best businesses you can actually start. The reason why I prefer this type of business model is because it's very, very beginner friendly, and it also requires, less maintenance than most businesses out there. A lot of businesses come with fulfillment, a lot of businesses come with customer service, inventory, and things like that. And it's just like, with this business, you literally don't need a product. You don't need a website. All you need is like landing page software like ClickFunnels or InstaBuilder, something like that. And you can create these simple little pages and you can connect them to CPA offers, which are products, services, just offers from people who actually went out there and did the hard work, which is start a business, find products, find a service to offer. And what you can do is be the middle man or woman. Now, how do you make yourself the person in the middle? So you do that by getting traffic. So most of these companies want leads, they want sales, they want downloads. It's many different type of offers out there that you can choose from, but let's just say a company wants sales. All you have to do is send traffic to the actual offer and get it to convert. And once it converts, you don't have to worry about fulfilling that product, dealing with the customer service, dealing with any future problems that may arise from getting customers and running a business where you need actual customers. So with this business model, all you need is just traffic. So all you have to do is just pick a traffic platform. So really, I say, if you're just beginning and you want to this is something you want to start, I say pick a traffic source that you're kind of familiar with, that you think you'll do good on, and stick to that traffic source until you see your first six figures. Don't go out there and start running traffic with 4 different traffic sources and expecting to see good results, because results is going to come from when you focus and you set definite goals. Okay, so a definite goal would be like, I want to make $100,000 using Facebook ads, or I want to make $100,000 using Bing ads or Google ads. And that is possible. Or I want to make 100,000 with native ads. Pick a platform that you actually want to see success with. So, within native traffic, with is different networks and ad networks out there. So just pick one, right? And the reason why I say that is to make it simple. Now you made things so simple. Also, just pick one niche. Now picking a niche may be difficult to some people, but I just say, what speaks to you? What niche, when you looking through the offers of a CPA affiliate network, what offers are sticking out to you, and focus on those type of offers. When I first got started online, I went into make money online because that was something I was actually interested in. So I ran a bunch of make money online offers, and I chose a platform, which was Facebook, and I saw a bunch of success. So that's how you guys have to do it as well. And the reason why I love this business so much is because you can actually do it from anywhere. So you don't have to commute or worrying about, a Zoom call or checking into anything. All you have to do is focus on running traffic, focus on your traffic. So every day throughout the day, all you do is, check your Facebook ads, or you might check your Google ads, or you might check your tracker, your volume tracker, and go through your actual stats and just see what's your conversions looking like, your data, your click-through rates, your conversion rate, what is it looking like? Are you going up? Are you going down? If you're going down, you need to tweak something. You need to, change some ads around, may need to change some targeting around, whatever it may be. You need to blacklist some sites if you're on native. So it's different ways to run your business. And that's what I break down in Mogul Academy and everything like that. I break down each traffic source, how to optimize, how to, read the metrics for everything, so you know how to turn those campaigns profitable. But if you're not inside the Mogul Academy, you can just pay attention to the videos that I make on my channel. I break down a few key things, but for people who benefit most are the people who, you know, get my private coaching, get inside my course. So you can actually see step by step behind the computer what I actually did to see success. Just in case you're the type of person who's new to CPA affiliate marketing, you don't know really how to run traffic profitably. That's what I actually created Mogul Training Academy for. So it's just a blessing to be able to run this type of business and actually like see success, because you know, I don't have to be bogged down with all these business activities. You know, just every day I'm just checking my ads, checking my tracker, and that takes about 2-3 hours a day, if that. And for the rest of the day, you know, I may be doing private coaching, or I'll just be out living life and just enjoying my life and traveling and doing whatever I want. So just, you know, with everything going on, you know, with it, lockdowns, everything like that was going on, it was just like a blessing to be able to, I just had this type of business because I didn't have to worry about my income stopping. I didn't have to worry about, you know, am I going to have to file for unemployment or anything like that. Like it's not a job, it's a business, but it's a business where you don't have to be the forefront. You don't have to create everything. You can be the middleman in the business and see success. So all you have to do is worry about getting traffic and making that traffic convert. So it does involve some fine tuning of your skills, marketing skills. But if you pay attention to like training videos on how to set up everything the proper way, you should be able to see success. I just wanted to break down why I believe this is one of the best businesses that you should actually start in 2021, because CPA affiliate marketing is not going anywhere. It's always going to be businesses that want traffic from affiliates. So it's a tested and tried market and industry. So these traffic sources are only getting bigger. It's only more people on Facebook. It's only more people on Google searching. It's more people on their phones and on their desktop computers now, with more people being home. So it's a great opportunity now to tap into what's already going on. And that's, people are making a bunch of money running traffic to CPA offers. And me, myself, is living proof that this is possible. So not only do you have a super affiliate telling you, hey, the industry's wide open, come in, but you also see other affiliates out there and other people talking about CPA affiliate marketing on YouTube having success. So why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you running ads? Why aren't you setting up these simple little landing pages to these offers and seeing success? So I hope that intrigued you to get started today. Get inside a CPA network right now. If you're not inside one already, get inside Mogul Academy. If you're a super beginner and don't know anything about running traffic, running ads, or even if you do, if you're looking to learn how I scale and structure and optimize my ads and take them to the next level, where it's just not $100 a day, but I'm seeing thousands and thousands of dollars every single day with my strategies. All right, so that's it for this video today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.